Good afternoon, class. It's a new numerical based on the design of Cantegida. Up till now, we had covered some theory part in the class and started a numerical based on it. But now we'll start a new numerical because for those students who were not present in the class, it will be easier for, for them to understand from the beginning. So, in this question, it is given that it is a simply supported Cantegida carrying a electrically operated crane with some data that are mentioned in the question itself. First is span of Cantegida and it goes till wheelbase, which is given 3.8 meter. For understanding these different terms, we have to first understand the different component of Cantegida. For that, I am showing a figure, a front view of Cantegida. In that figure, you will find various components that are attached with each other to act as a Cantegida. Here is the figure. You can see it consists of a column, an I section which is in actual a Cantegida, having channel section on its top flange so that it acts as a lateral supported beam. Above it, there is a rail on which crane moves and a crane on which trolley moves. Trolley contain a hook on which we can move the load from here to other places. So, crane girder is designed to carry the weight of trolley, that is the self weight of trolley, plus the hook capacity. Hook capacity generally means a maximum load that can be carried by crab. So it is a top front view. Now we'll see the top view. In the top view, you can clearly see that 4 columns, 2 on each side on which Cantegida is resting. The crane is spanning between 2 Cantegidas on which trolley having 4 wheels is moving on it. The distance between the column is termed as span of Cantegida. The span between Cantegida is termed as span of crane girder, which is represented as LC, that is span of Cantegida. Now we will see the different points that are mentioned in the question. In our question, span of Cantegida is given 7.5 meter. Span of crane girder is given as 18 meter, which I have shown in the figure. Crane capacity, that is 300 kN, that is the maximum load that can be carried by crane, is given as 300 kN. Self weight of trolley, ट्रॉली को हम लोग क्रैब भी बोलते हैं, तो सेल्फ वेट ऑफ ट्रॉली इज गिवन एज 60 किलोन्यूटन. सेल्फ वेट ऑफ क्रेन girder is given as 220 kilonewton. Wheel base, that is the distance between the two wheels on the gantry girder, is given as 3.8 meter. Minimum hook approach is given as 1.3 meter. Now here the most important thing is minimum hook approach. Minimum hook approach क्या होता है कि जो हमारा ट्रॉली है या क्रैब है, ये कितना क्लोज आ सकता है हमारे गैंटी गिडर के, बिकॉज हमको डिज़ाइन करना है गैंटी गिडर मैक्सिमम लोड के लिए. तो मैक्सिमम लोड गैंटी गिडर पे कब आएगा, जब हमारा जो एक्टिंग लोड है वो बिल्कुल क्लोज होगा गैंटी गिडर के. तो वो हमें गिवन है 1.3 मीटर. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज मिनिमम हुक अप्रोच. द डिज़ाइनिंग पार्ट वील सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.